Welcome back to another 5-minute market update. Got a lot to cover. Let's get into it. Elon Musk proposed putting the US Treasury on blockchain for full spending transparency. Good Lord. Can the government slow down just a little bit? There's literally so much bullish news happening for crypto, and yet the prices are dragging down. We're going to get to that in a second. The other bit of news that I've noticed recently that is striking is actually better shown here on TradingView. While Bitcoin has been sluggish and extremely depressed looking, to be completely honest with you, Ethereum is defying all the odds. This is something I did not expect to see happen, where Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin right now. And we can actually see this much more clearly on the FBTC ratio. Now, please understand me when I say it's not winning. Like long term on the weekly, it is insanely oversold. It is very dangerous. But for the short term, ETH is actually outperforming BTC, which is staggering. And other ETH related coins and tokens are doing well, I've noticed, especially this one. Like it or hate it, HEX pumped yesterday, or actually, yeah, this is 4 hours. So literally 5-6 hours ago, 70%. 70%. What in God's name is going on? Well, apparently Richard Hart staked 50 billion ETH, which is insane. And there's actually more. And he's actually burning HEX. So he's reducing the supply and he's staking it. This has sent a shockwave to the HEX community. I haven't even checked on Pulse or anything like that. I am a holder of HEX, mainly because it's a great risk reward ratio, in my opinion. Actually, I have a trade set up here that I shared in the Better Traders Club. We caught the primo entry, and I have a target up here in this red line of resistance for 144% profit. It did not get stopped out. It was supposed to hit our DCA order. It didn't hit that, but it's in the green. So this is insane. I'm super thrilled with this, of course. And the other thing I'm seeing happening as well is that all over the place, we're seeing crypto regulation being clarified, making it easier for companies and owners of companies or projects to actually conduct business with the United States. And Richard Hart has been fleeing, from what I can tell, the United States for a long time and worried about what they might do to him. And he's gone quiet, literally radio silent. Whereas if you've been in HEX for any amount of time, you know that he used to do live streams all the time, and he was the primary person to help pump the price of HEX. That and also is an incredible bull market for HEX, but now it sits down a lot. But this is mean that this is the end. Well, to be honest, I bought HEX way down here and I'm just kind of sitting on my position and enjoying the profits, and I'm holding for a lot higher. I am in no means, or by no means, a Hexican in that I'm like a diehard. I have to have HEX. It's the only thing I have. I'm not staking the coins, but I see a good risk reward setup for HEX, and that's insane. Another really bullish piece of news is that the US dollar index lost yesterday. You'll remember on Sunday/Monday's crash, actually, the Dixie shot all the way up here to TBO resistance at 109.756. That red line right there, hit it. And I said, it's probably not going to hold from here. It's just a flash pump or flash crash, and it's falling down. And lo and behold, we have another confirmed TBO close long, which is a bearish reversal signal. This is so good, you guys, because we want to see the Dixie fall. When the dollar is falling, stocks are going to pump, and that will pour into crypto. A couple of other things I want to share with you. There are lots of coins that are still down and looking quite dangerous. Go to where the strength is. These coins right here are so much stronger than the rest of the coins that are out there. Let me hide myself so you can actually see. There we go. There we go. So XMR, OKB has a TBT bullish divergence cluster. Like, this is an insane cluster right at support. OKB could pump up easily another 20 to 25% right here. Mantle has held to an incredible degree despite the crazy sell-off. It's literally just flat, which is amazing. Jupe is still really good for trading. This thing is an amazing, amazing chart. Over here, Ondo, this is another trade setup we have. It almost hit our take profit target. So pissed about that. Just a little bit less. But you guys are getting an entry right here. Another one. Another entry. You guys are getting the good stuff. Mantra, Ohm. This one pumped after Monday. It pumped up another 26%, and it's still crazy strong bullish. And ACT, believe it or not, the AI prophecy is actually looking good. This is one of the main charts I'm looking at right now. It's like, okay, there's so many bullish reversal signs. All those orange dots right there, those are TBO close shorts. Those are bullish reversal signals. And of course, Trump coin is actually looking like it could turn around. We have TBT bullish divergence signals, no close short yet. But yesterday, it did break above overhead resistance. Now, it's done this many times before and it failed. But what's interesting is that this bounce didn't quite go lower. It's actually holding. And I'm actually expecting Trump to turn around. Now, the truth is that I've been doing a lot of trading initially, and I'm actually holding ETH with BTC. I bought ETH with BTC, and I actually expect ETH to outperform BTC. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I am. And I'm showing you, putting my money where my mouth is. And I also have other positions that I'm waiting on to close that I've used BTC to buy. And I shared all this stuff in the Better Traders Club Discord server. Well, today's update is not exactly 5 minutes. I think it's more important to give you guys the good stuff, the stuff to focus on, to pay attention to. So go to where the strength is. Understand that we're still not out of the woods yet, unfortunately, with BTC looking sluggish, but there's so much macro good stuff happening. It's hard not to be bullish. So until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.